See, there was a threat call made to Honorable MP Sri Sanjay Raut, Rajya Sabha MP of Shiv Sena, and there was messages also. So an application was given to ATS and an offence was registered after primary inquiry. And during inquiry, it was found that though the calls were made shown to be made from Dubai, the person was hiding in Kolkata. So we had sent our team there. And there, with the help of local police, Kolkata police, we have arrested one person. He is on transit remand now. He will be brought to Mumbai. And it was revealed that he has made these calls and messages, and he had also called the residence of Honorable Uddhav Thackeray at Mathoshri. Then he had made calls to Honorable Sri Sharad Pawar's residence also, and to the Home Minister Sri Anil Deshmukh, his residence also, he has made these calls. He was in Dubai for 14-15 years, more than 15 years. So we are trying to find out his linkages there also. Because we have got 3 international SIM cards, 1 SIM card which is local, 3 international SIM cards, so we are inquiring into it.
कितने दिन की प्रोड्यूस वगैरह कुछ करना है?
Till 14th we have to produce. Transit remand is till 14th. तो 14 तक उनको प्रोड्यूस करना है, तो आने के बाद यहाँ पे हम उनको प्रोड्यूस करेंगे.